was a really nice day. On the 16th of May 2025, we have Vesilinnankatu. It's that's also done, right? 31. I'll say that in Swedish later. It has 5 floors here. Has been added later into the building. The capacity is 4 bus of 302 grams by I.G.V. Added in 1998 without any door. 0 press. 14776 Robert Rollick. And 2 rights.
Yeah.
I like the smell here.
Same.
Unfortunately, the fabricator side is not working.
Yeah.
Though it doesn't really need it.
Yeah.
It's the only elevator in the building.
Yeah.
We are also close to Vesilinnankatu, but it's also Alppiharju Hoshöjden. It has gas wash. I'll check the colors also. But the indicator is nothing. And this is it's for occupied or I don't know. Yeah.
Yeah.
But the fabricator is only on the basement floor.
Yeah.
Nice interior.
Yeah.
I like this light pink color. It might be from the beginning of 1998.
Yeah. Iskutteet paikki vaan iskuttaa. Meidän eteenpäin Suomi hissiurakointi.
Newest in Finland without any doors since the beginning of 1999.
Yeah.
And then we have some exceptions in 1999, finished 2000 also, where it's built as if it was without it, but it was built with folding in doors on some condominiums.
Yeah.
Those are interesting, of course. We filmed some.
Yeah. Yeah. Now it really was. That's